Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be headed into CVS. It is Monday, July the 18th. These deals will run until Saturday. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please click that red subscribe button and also click that notification bell to all so you know when all my videos are popping up. Also join me on Instagram and Facebook at Praising and Saving. If you are in need of a principal breakdown for this video, please click on the description box for a principal breakdown. You don't have to print it off if you don't want to. You can just pull it up on your device in the store so you don't have to write any of these things down. Also, if you're not part of any of the rebate apps like IBOTTA, Shopkick, Swagbucks, or Fetch, please look for our referral codes in the description box as well. This is probably one of my most favorite hauls that I've done in such a long time at CVS. We're going to be getting 3 or 4 freebies, I believe, today. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and jump right into the video. So this is one of the IBOTTA bonuses that we got for the remainder of the month. This is the vitamin C bonus. And mine is for 75 offers for $16. So let me know in the comments how many offers that you have. That's a lot of offers. I'm probably not going to get to it, but you know, I always make a good effort. But let me know in the comments how many offers you have to reach your vitamin C bonus. So the very first deal we have is a glitch deal. Now what that means is that we are able to use paper coupons and then the manufacturer coupon on the app is also attaching. So we have this $5 off Coppertone coupon when you buy 2, and there is also a $2 manufacturer coupon on the app that is attaching to these bottles. So that's going to be $7 in coupons. So for this offer, we need to reach a threshold of $20 to get back $10 in extra care bucks. Now what we're going to do is pick up 2 of these Coppertone Sport 30s. They're the cheapest ones that we can get and still reach our bonus at $11.79. When we do, our total is going to be $23.58. We're then going to use that $5 coupon that you see pictured there. And then there's also a $2 manufacturer coupon on the app that is attaching. Now, some people have CRTs for sunscreen products or Coppertone products. CRTs are going to be those store coupons that you find on the CVS app. So check in the store, scan the Coppertone. You may even get a better deal than I did. And then we're getting back $10 in extra care bucks. If we were to combine all that, our total for 2 bottles of this Coppertone is going to be $6.58 or just $3.28 per bottle. This is a killer deal on the Coppertone. Anytime we have the Nexus deal come out, I always want to pick this up because this is a high-valued extra care bucks type of deal. Now, my deal is going to be where I can get to the $25 threshold because once you get to that $25 threshold, you will receive $10 in extra care bucks after the transaction. And so what made sense to me was to get this Nexus conditioner, the protein fusion. It's $11.49, and then I saw that the next best deal was to get this Nexus Curl Define at $16.49. Whatever you decide to do, just try to get to that $25 threshold because I didn't want to pay more out of pocket than I needed to. So essentially, I'm going to be picking up both of these, and it's going to be about $27.98 or $28. Now, the great thing about this is another glitch deal. So what's happening on this is we have an $8 coupon and a $5 coupon. These are both manufacturer coupons on the app. They're both attaching. And so this is a no paper coupons needed deal. It's a total digital coupon deal. So the $8 and the $5 digital coupons are both attaching, which is $13 in coupons. Then we have a $4 CRT when we spend $25 on hair care products. So you don't have to use it on the Nexus. You can use it on anything. But I'm going to attach that $4 CRT is also going to work. So that's coming off. And of course, we're getting back $10 in extra care bucks. So with those 2 coupons of $13, the CRT of $4, the extra care bucks of $10, our total after everything is going to be 98 cents or 49 cents per container of Nexus. So this is a great, great deal, but whatever you do, whatever you decide, whatever you like, just make sure that your threshold is over $25 so you are able to get that $10 extra care bucks after your transaction. So these Nivea creams are a huge moneymaker at CVS. It's actually a glitch. So they may have fixed it, they may have not, so just check and see. But these are on like an end cap for me in either travel and trial section. They're not with the regular lotions. And these Niveas are the 1 ounces. They are $1.49 each. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 of them, because when you pick up 2 of them, they're actually going to work for the $5 in extra care bucks you're going to get back. So they're $1.49, pick up 2. Your total is going to be $2.98 at the register. You're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks, which makes this a $2.02 money maker on these, because that $5 extra care bucks is coming off on this. So great deal on these. If it doesn't work out, if you don't get your $5 in extra care bucks, just return these items immediately. I often get this deal at Walmart, and they're usually about 40 or 50 cents, but my Walmart has been cleared out of feminine care products, so I'm going to pick these up today at CVS. These are going to be just $1 per box after the deal, the coupons, and the extra care bucks. So the U by Kotex are on sale for 2 for $8. We're going to pick up both of those boxes. They're $4 each. Then we're going to use this $4 coupon. Now, we've had this for quite some time, so you may be out. Check your coupons app. You just never know what's going to be on the coupons app. They may be on there. And then you're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks at the register. So essentially with the $4 coupon and getting back $2 in extra care bucks, it's going to be $2 for both boxes or $1 each. So pretty great deal on these U by Kotex, coming all the way down from $7.29 all the way to $1 each. Alright guys, if you're loving my video and all my great deals, please make sure you smash that like button. It helps me out a ton when you do so. So this next deal is going to be our July beauty category. Now we all get this in our app with our Care Pass. And so these are the hair bows that are $3.89. It's the 18 pieces. Of course, we never get coupons for stuff like this, so I was very happy when I figured out these were part of the July. All right, so this was an unexpected moneymaker. I did not expect this at all to be a moneymaker. I just needed some of these flossers. And these are $2.89, but they're buy one, get one 50% off right now. So essentially, when you buy 2 of them, this like saying you're paying $2.17 a piece, because they're buy one, get one 50% off. So here's the math on this. You're going to get 2 of these at $2.17, which is a total of $4.34. Now, we have a ton of CRTs that are attaching from the app. All of these CRTs, there's 4 actually. There's a $2 off when you buy 2. There's $1.50, $1.50, and $1.50. So 4 CRTs are attaching to these flossers. That's $6.50 in CRTs that are attaching. So make sure you scan these sensitive 90-piece CVS flossers in the app. Also, if you have Care Pass, it's also giving you an additional 20% off. I didn't factor that into the math, but we're going to be having a money maker here of over $2.20 with the 4 CRTs and the 20% off CRT. So $2.20 moneymaker on this. I definitely was excited to have this deal when I didn't expect it in the first place. All right, so I got a great deal on these Sundown Melatonin gummies. This is a 60 count. Now, this is a great deal, and I got this deal last week. So these are $9.59 each. They're buy one, get one free. Now, the deal with CVS is you can use a coupon on the buy one, but you cannot use a coupon on the get free item. it will beep if you try to use 2 coupons and buy 2 bottles. So we're going to get 2 bottles at $9.59. We're going to use one of these $4 coupons. When we use one of these $4 coupons with both of these bottles, it's going to bring our total down to $5.60. So essentially, you're going to be paying $2.80 per bottle of melatonin gummies. So I think this is a great deal. I wish we could use both $4 coupons. It would bring it all the way down to like 40 cents each. But yeah, $2.80 per bottle is a pretty great deal on these gummies. All right, so now we're going to be working on our Colgate deal. And with this Colgate deal, I want to spend $30 on Colgate products to be able to use that $5 CRT on the app. So you can mix and match any of the Colgate products and it will bring down the total by $5 after you get to that $30 threshold on the app. Now, the great thing about what's going on this week is there are 2 different promotions going on. There is a spend $10 on certain Colgate products and get $5. There's also a spend $20 on Colgate products and get $10. Now, I did mix and match to do the spend 10 and get $5 back, and I mixed and matched to spend 20 to get the $10 back. After I was able to do all that, I was able to use that $5 CRT on the app. Now, there are a number of coupons on the app. There's a $4 off, there's a $1 off, there's another $1 off. Use those coupons and just mix and match. My suggestion to you is to make sure that you put all your Colgate products in one transaction so you're able to maximize your savings with all the CRTs that you may have on your app. So I'm not really going to show you my breakdown of the Colgate products, but just make sure you get to that spend 20 threshold and that spend 10 threshold. And when you do, that $5 off 30 will automatically come off. Just make sure you're scanning everything to make sure all your Colgate products attach, because some of them did not attach to the coupons that I have in the app. In addition to that, some accounts may have the CRT for the $2 off $12 worth of mouthwash. Remember, these all will work. So these multiple CRTs will work in conjunction with each other, as well as the manufacturer coupons that are there. Don't forget that we do have a free gift pretty much every day of this month since the 15th. And this is going to be on various CVS products. If you see here, I have the free CVS pain reliever. Make sure you are clipping those in the app. They don't expire in one day. They've been lasting 2 days. So if you're not able to make it to CVS in one day, then you're able to go back the next day and get that item. So I know that I picked up the pain relievers, but the popcorn and all these different various products are coming available. So just make sure you're clipping it, and in the store, make sure you're scanning it to make sure it attaches. So I do have the list of all the different items that you can pick up for the month of July. So for the 18th, we have the popcorn. For the 19th, we have the CVS Aloe After Skin Gel. Now, this is the small one, so it may be in the travel section. Just check. On the 20th, we have sparkling water. On the 21st, there is the CVS Health. I guess that's like an immune support, air shield type thing. An extra care bucks on the 22nd, and then on the 23rd, there's the Omega Trail Mix. So all of those are available on the app, but they only last that day, and sometimes they kind of roll into the next day. So make sure you're going in there and picking up your freebies. I was so excited about this haul that as soon as I got outside in the parking lot, I had to take a picture. So everything that you see in these bags, guys, I paid $7 out of pocket. It was an insane deal. Thanks to the Moneymakers from the Flossers and also from the Nivea. Those helped a ton. I also had a 10 cents IBOTTA rebate on pain reliever that I was able to use for that freebie that we got. So I was, even more freebies with all these deals here. So guys, we just had a great time at CVS. I will be posting another CVS video this week after I go in and get a couple more deals that I've seen posted. and I thought could be helpful for all you guys. But I will see you next time in the Publix video, which will be Wednesday. And then I try to get to the Walmart video by Friday or Saturday. So, alright guys, if you love seeing this video, please drop a comment below and let me know what you liked about it. Alright, I'll see you guys next time when we head to Publix.